Hi there, and welcome back to another installment in the AgilePoint Agentic AI video series. Now this video is going to be a little bit different. Previously, you'd seen how we can build AI agents using AgilePoint's AI Control Tower framework directly within the platform and use them to collaboratively improve and adapt the execution of a business process. And in this video, we're going to show you how AgilePoint can call in to AI agents that have been designed externally. So I've just moved into my design environment and brought up my customer feedback application. Now this might be reused in the form of a sub-process and something you could easily tack on to existing applications, thinking of things like order processing, warranty, or service ticketing as an example. But the process itself is very straightforward. So here we're going to capture the customer's feedback, and all of that data is going to be passed over to LangGraph for analysis. So what LangGraph is going to do here is prepare a plan to handle that customer's feedback, and to do so, it's going to invoke a number of different AgilePoint toolset items, think of things like processes, to execute that plan. Now, before I run the application, I do want to point out that AgilePoint does have an out-of-the-box integration for LangGraph, as you're seeing here in my stencils. One being to adapt the process flow, and the activity that we're going to use today is to dynamically initiate a sub-process as a part of the process execution. Okay, with that said, let's run the application. So here we have our customer feedback form, and I'm just going to fill it with our customer's name as well as their contact information. And down below, you're seeing 4 sample feedback options. Now again, our planning agent is going to devise and execute a tailored plan based on the nature of the feedback. But let's go ahead and start with a technical issue. So as you can see here, our customer has been having issues for days and no one's helped. So let's go ahead and kick this off. And if we move in to the Work Center, we're going to see a new instance has been raised. Okay, so let's move over to the Adaptive Orchestration Monitor, and it's going to show the hyperflow that we've just discussed, where our planning agent devises a plan and uses AgilePoint processes as toolkits to execute that plan. So because this is a technical issue, a ticket has been dispatched. So as you can see here, I have a ticket creation agent that's gone ahead and opened up a new issue. Next, you're seeing a personalized troubleshooting guide. Now, because of AgilePoint's integration framework, we are aware of the context of the customer's prior purchases, so we can create something that is truly tailored to those products. And then finally, a personalized article. So now, if I move over to my inbox, we're going to see all of those items are now waiting for me in my email. So first, as you can see here, is a technical support guide specifically based on the products this particular customer has purchased. We can see that a new support ticket has been logged and my personalized article to help me resolve those issues. So now let's go back and run the application once more. And this time we're going to choose a different issue. Okay, so this time, rather than using a technical issue, we're going to go ahead and select a billing issue. Now, again, similarly, AgilePoint is going to be aware of this customer context and use that in the creation of the resolution plan. Okay, so moving back into Work Center, we're going to see a new instance here. And again, the hyperflow that gets created is going to be 100% tailored to the issue. So we'll see a very different flow than we did previously. Okay, so as you can see here, just one main agent that's being invoked here to help us get that personalized article to resolve our issue. So now that that's been done, let's go ahead and move over into my inbox and we'll see the results. Okay. So I've just received my personalized article to resolve my billing issue. Okay, so with that, this is going to conclude the content for this video. We hope that this gives you a better idea of how AgilePoint can work alongside external agentic platforms that use AgilePoint processes, forms, and integrations as tool sets to resolve customer issues. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.